Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about a couple of tools that you may not even know that you need, but should absolutely be a part of your toolbox. One is the sonic slider with a handle. The other is the sonic slider with a circuit boot. They're very easy to use. They're very portable. They don't require batteries. You can take them everywhere with you, and you can use them anywhere on your body. If you played a little too hard or worked a little too hard, you have some sore muscles or knots or whatever, the sonic slider with a circuit boot is perfect for that. Is the boss harassing you to finish a project at work and get that in by a deadline, and you're stressed out a little bit, use a sonic slider with a handle. They're very easy to activate. Hold it by the stem, simply tap it on your palm, or you can tap it on the side of your leg or wherever, just to activate the fork, and then run the fork over any sore spots that you may have. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your neck, your shoulders, wherever. Let the sonic slider do its work though. You need to be patient with this. Work slowly. Let this thing do its job. You can use it chest, wherever you want on your body. Legs, even on your face if you want to. I really like the sonic slider with the handle to relieve that tension in your neck and your shoulders. It has a larger surface area. It works very well. The circuit boot works great on those muscles. It's got these edges on there so you can really get into those muscles and work those knots out of there. Both of these tools are absolutely fantastic. They should be part of your daily routine. It only takes 10 minutes, 15 minutes twice a day. And like I said, you can use them absolutely anywhere at any time. So make them part of your maintenance schedule. Use these things every day. Keep after that. Get into a routine of doing it, make it a habit, and you will absolutely see some results, and you will love these two tools. Put these in your toolbox, use them. I promise you, you'll love them.